It's a continuation of my engineering oversight for property here, 424 3rd Avenue. This is the system that was hit, and you can see a lot of damage to the structure itself. Bent pieces, racked pieces, these are all racked here. We have some damage occurring back behind the wall. You see, it looks like this may have happened quite a while ago, maybe, but I'm not sure. We're going to need to get a new design for this connection back here, and then separately we'll have to get a stucco guy in here that's going to repair the stucco. Again, most likely, going to have to check with the city to see what they're going to require, but you can see all of these major connections, and this whole piece is going to need to come off and be reconnected. Most likely, I mean, maybe either just to build a whole new platform. We've got to make sure that this ladder is adequate, and the connections, you can see the connections have been compromised. Every connection's compromised, so it's going to need quite a bit of work. You know, missing slats, but they have these new pieces, but you can see how much that's moved. And this is all buckled here, lots of everything buckled, railings buckled up top. So we're going to need a new connection. You know, this is going to have to be checked out as well for any damage to the connection behind. You can see in here that it's, you know, buckled, and this connection back to the building is going to need to be checked. The handrail connection is going to need to be checked. All of this is going to need to be really given a good look. I'll get some dimensions of this system, but you know, if we want to replace the ladder, we can put a fold down ladder that would provide a little bit of safety. So that's going to be the conclusion of this video. If you have any questions for our Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333.